Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I will show you how to make a party favor where you're going to use it in a baby shower, either if you have a baby shower for a boy or girl. So this is my measurements. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use a popsicle and popsicle stick, and what do you call that, a baby rattle, and I have this ribbon here and embellishment that I'm going to use it also. But mostly my materials that I use it today there are mostly $1 a piece, so this is not gonna be expensive. So I will show you the easy way how to make your own party paper so you can save money. So hopefully guys, just keep watching until the end of my video and hope you guys will like it, and I will show you how to do it. So I will use this cardstock also to support the popsicle at the bottom. So where I'm going to put in a plastic, so it's gonna be like steady and stable and inside of the plastic, so it look neat. And there you go. But let's see how it goes, then I'll change it. So probably I will do this way. And so I'm almost done. So this is not hard to do it, and it's easy. And I'm gonna be tie around and put ribbon on it so look neat and like presentable party favors for your guests that you can use it and give it. And this one also, this is my personal party bag that I will need it also. And I will attach this one, so it's gonna be cute. And there you go. So hope you guys like my video and give me a thumbs up, and please do share, like, and comment if you like this video. And please guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do, and it helps grow to my channel. So there you go guys, and hope you guys will like it, and see you guys next time on my next vlog. So how's that look? So give me a thumbs up guys if you like my video. There you go. See you guys next time.